Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. Let's solve it together. In this video, the questions from AP Precalculus from the topic of polynomial functions and end behavior. Excuse me. The function h of x equals negative 2 times x to the power of 3 plus 3x squared minus 1. What is the end behavior of h? So let's recall that the end behavior of a polynomial function is influenced primarily by the term with the highest degree, which is in this case negative 2 times x to the power of 3. So now let's understand how the leading term, negative 2 times x to the power of 3, dictates the behavior as x approaches the positive infinity and negative infinity. So to do that, negative 2x cubed, as x approaches the positive infinity, I'm going to substitute positive for the x. This positive to the power of 3 is positive. Negative times positive is negative. And negative, in this case, we will substitute negative for the x. Negative to the power of 3 is negative. Negative 2 times negative is positive. So as x approaches the positive infinity, the function h approaches the negative infinity. As x approaches the negative infinity, the function h approaches the positive infinity. So based on this analysis, our correct answer is choice D for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.